You have been dreaming of writing a book, but you are still not a published author. I am here to change that with my step-by-step nonfiction book school self-study course. Hi there, I'm Stacy Ennis, your new book coach. I have authored or ghostwritten 17 books and coached dozens of authors over my more than 13 years in business. And this is the course I wish I had back when I first started writing books. This 10-week course provides everything you need to know to go from idea to finished draft. And this is the same powerful education that I use in my live group coaching and with my one-on-one clients. I'll teach you how to craft a clear core message for your book, create a detailed book outline, design a lifestyle that supports your writing success, level up your skills as a writer, and most importantly, finish that draft. Plus, you'll learn about editing, publishing options, and more from me and other world-class experts who have given their time and knowledge to teach you about publishing, speaking, marketing, and so much more. This course is for you if you're an entrepreneur, speaker, consultant, expert, or somebody with a unique story to share. You're writing a nonfiction book connected to a bigger purpose, to impact lives, or to grow your business or scale your revenue. You're willing to do the work needed to write a great book, and you like saving years of time and thousands of dollars in mistakes and missed opportunities. It's not for you if you're writing fiction or literary memoir. The book is an end-all be-all goal with no connection to bigger impact. You only care about writing and publishing your book as quickly as possible without concern for excellence. And you don't like to save time and money. 1 year from today, you can be exactly where you are right now, dreaming of this book that you know is inside of you, but still dreaming, still not taking action, still exactly where you are right now. Or you can be 1 year from today with a completed manuscript. You could be gearing up for your book launch, getting prepared for media interviews and speaking engagements, and really ready to welcome this dream book into the world. And who knows, when it releases, you might even hit bestseller lists like many of my clients and students. Are you ready to make your dream book happen? Enroll now in the Nonfiction Book School self-study course and be one step closer to being able to say, I'm a published author.